Okay. So, before starting the class, I would like to know what is the reason you want to go with the Power BI. What exactly you are aware of the Power BI? So, Kumar, can you start from your side?
Oh, I'm sorry to say this. Is this Snowflake's class or a Power BI?
It's a Power BI.
Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I would like to join Snowflake's class.
Okay, Seren, and yourself?
Yeah, I'm for Power BI.
Okay, that's fine. So, Seren, can I know the reason why you want to go with the Power BI?
Actually, I have worked in .NET in the past. It's been a very long gap for me, so I thought the transition will be easy because both are Microsoft products. So I thought now the trending is Power BI, so I thought it'll be easy to learn compared to all other technologies.
Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so what exactly you know about the Power BI?
I know the data will be displayed in the chart, so it will be easy to interact and all. Interpret and all the stuff. I really don't have any idea about Power BI, but I know it's related to displaying the data in the form of charts and statistics. It'll be easy to look at the results and stuff.
That's great, sir. So,
Yeah.
so currently you're not working anywhere, right?
No.
Okay. Myself, Rana. Okay. I'm working into the Power BI from the last 4 years. Okay. So Power BI is useful in many ways, visualization or extracting the data, removing the empty fields. Okay. In many ways. So let's go with some presentation. Okay. Once the presentation is done, we'll go with live. Okay. So this is the Power BI. You can see that Power BI has captured 36% of the market. Okay. And 20% to go with the Tableau. Okay. And same as the Power BI Tableau, you have many other tools. Okay. 𝐏𝐶𝐻, SAP, IBM, Looker, Microsoft Strategic Analytics, 𝐶𝐻, Oracle, and Server. Okay. So out of this, Microsoft Power BI is ruling the market. Okay. From the last 5 years. Okay. It's a competitor is Power BI. Power BI competitor is Tableau. Okay. So this is the average salary in the US. How exactly is going is US is going with the Power BI, the top. Okay, the minimum salary would be average salary. This is the average salary. There's a $90,000. Okay, and most of the people like United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, India, everywhere the Power BI is growing very fast. This is the growth rate. Okay, from 2015 to till now, it's growing. It's not like constant or it's not down. It's continuously growing. Okay, so the average salary for the freshers in India, if someone knows the Power BI, okay, their salary would be 12 lakhs salary per annum. If they are just they know how to operate it. Okay. So first, what is a Power BI? Okay, as you said already, Power BI is a business intelligence tool which help us analyze the data to clean your data and convert that data into visual format. So what do you mean by the clean your data is whatever the data is in unstructured data. Example, the date format is not properly or you have a gaps. Okay, and you are missing some fields, some records, some columns. What does it do is it makes in proper format and it converts into a proper data. Got it? Then you can go for the visualization. Suppose if I don't have a proper data and it's not converted properly and you want me to do the visualization, it's of no use. Okay, the data will be not coming properly. So you see this data, right? Is it looking good? It's looking good, right? When you have a
Yes.
proper data, it looks good. Next, so to learn the Power BI, you should know these 4 components. Okay, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. These are the 4 things you should know. Okay, these are the part of Power BI only. Okay.
Okay.
So first, let's understand what is a Power Query. Okay, in the Power Query, you will come ETL. So hope you are already aware of ETL, right? What exactly is the ETL and how does it work? Are you aware?
No. No.
You're the part of the .NET, right, Sare?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a very long gap for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, extraction from the database and displaying it. Is that what you mean?
Yes, ETL is extract, transform, and load. Suppose you have the data from the different folders, different files. What does it do is it combines in one part and gives a proper structure.
Yeah, okay.
Extract the data, transform the data, and load the data.
Hmm.
Okay, we can consider it as a cleaning the data. Okay? Suppose you have a duplications, it will remove. Suppose if you have the information which is not proper, it will remove. Okay, when you have a blank records, null values, empty records, or different uncleaned data, it will clean the data for visualization.
Okay.
This is the main basic step of the Power BI. Okay, Power Query. Okay, later, what does actually Power BI do? This is the steps it shows internally. Okay, later, Power Pivot. Hope you are aware of the pivot, right? Pivot tables. What does it do is pivot is used for data modeling when you have multiple data sources. If you want to connect them, create relationship between them, you can use Power Pivot. Suppose I have 100 Excel data, 100 Excel sheets. Okay. Out of those 100 Excel sheets, I want to combine that all Excel sheet into one data. Got it? So what I do is I do the pivot. When I do the pivot, I get the n number of records in a proper format. Okay, even we will look out how does the pivot work also. Okay. Now the Power View. Power View is nothing but the visualization. Hope you can see the diagram, right?
Yes, yes.
This chart. This is a view. What are the data you want to view? This is how we can create something by using the tables and the data. Okay, can you see here brand names, colors, and the sales amount? Okay, so with that, we have seen that how does the market is growing with them, what is the product is being sold, and for which purpose it is being sold. Okay, so in this way, we are going to view the report. We can view this report and only if we have some data. Okay, so with Power BI, Power View, we can use more than 200 charts, 200 different charts. Okay. This is the Power Map. After doing all this, extracting the data, combining the data, and viewing the data, why do we do all this is to export our data to our managers, right? To our other organization, what are the organization we do have in other countries? We do that, right? For the on-site. What we do is Power Map, nothing but Power BI services. After cleaning pivot and the presentation, if you want to share reports with the different people sitting across the world, you can use the Power BI services. Okay, to communicate with the other user who need this report. Any doubts so far, Sarin?
No, I'm good.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Any doubts in understanding?
Yes.
Okay, why should I go with the Power BI? Power BI growth is greater than other tools, as we have seen, right? 36%. It has 1200 functions in the Power BI. You can create more than 200 visuals. Okay. And the features, what are the features you have in the Power BI? It's not available in other tools. Even though it's available, okay, it's not that great as a Power BI. Okay. And it's a cheaper tool. When the Power BI is a cheaper tool in the market, many people use that. right? So Power BI is cheaper than Tableau. Okay.
Okay.
So Power BI can extract the data from Excel, Oracle, SQL, Big Data, Hadoop. Okay, it can bring the data from that particular places. Even though structure is good, structure is not good, structure is half good and half not good, even though Power BI help us in doing the great work. Got it? These are the 5 reasons. So in the Power BI, you have 2 things to be observed. One is desktop, another is service. Okay. So what does the desktop do? Is it gets the data from Excel, CSV, nothing but comma separated value, CSV files. Hope you are aware of CSV files, right?
Yeah.
Okay. MS Excel, SharePoint, PDF, website, it gets the data. Power BI desktop gets the data. What does the Power Service do is it shares the data. Once you have done everything with that desktop, service is used for sharing the data to the other people. Okay. So this is the diagram where Power BI desktop is getting the data from Excel, CSV, SQL, from the Oracle, okay, PDF, Outlook, with the on-site websites. Okay, with that, many customers are happy. Okay, it's doing best work. So these are the topics we'll be covering for the future. Let's go live with the application. So any doubt so far, you can ask me.
Okay.
So Serin, which part of India you were?
I'm from Kerala.
You are from the Kerala. From the God's place, right?
Yeah, they say it's God's own country.
Yes, it's environment-wise, it's very good.
Where are you located?
Basically part of pollution. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Basically, I'm part of pollution.
Where is it?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, okay.
Okay. So the Delhi is the first, second is Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so Serena, I'll be asking you some questions. Okay. Just to get it. Suppose, can you see this Excel, a new folder? Let me share my complete screen.
Okay.
Stop share. Hope you can see my complete screen. Can you see this folder?
New folder, yes.
Okay. Now I do have a data here, which is of year 2020, 21, 22. Okay. Now I want all this data to combined in one Excel sheet. Okay. So what you want me to do now?
In an Excel?
Yes, there are 3 Excel sheets, right? In
Yeah.
3 Excel sheets, I do have data. Let me show you that what exactly the data I do have.
Okay.
This is the data I do have. Okay. Now I do have a data with 10,000 records I do have here. Let me have a look. Okay, this is the 10,000 data I do have. 10,001. In every Excel sheet, I do have a 10,000 records. So I want to put all this data in one Excel sheet. What you want me to do here?
So you can add sheet by sheet. Is that what you mean?
Okay, so you are asking me that open a new Excel. Okay, so you want me to copy this data from here, all the 10,000 and paste it there, and 10,000 from here, paste it there, and 10,000 from here, paste it there. That's it, right?
I don't know any other idea.
No. What is the maximum we do is this is the same thing we do, right? Copy the data.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you some shortcut. Okay, so why I'm showing the Excel is Power BI is also part of the Excel. Now can you see here, get data? Okay, I took the data from the file that is connected into the folder, right? Okay, from folder. Before that, I need to close what are the files I have opened related to that folder. Okay.
Okay.
I'm closing that. Why? Because we cannot dump. Okay. Now it's asking me from which place you want me to dump the data. I said like
Just
from
a
the
sec.
desktop. It's the new folder. It's like, okay, let me go over that. It's please wait while establishing the document. Okay. Now it's saying that all the data is combined. How much time it took?
Oh, okay.
Hardly not more than 10 seconds, right? So I
Yeah.
click here, combine and load. What are the data I do have in other Excels? I'm combining it. Okay.
Okay.
Loading in this data. Okay. It's asking like which data you want to do. This is 1,000 sales record, right?
So is the data merging like page by page at the end of the line?
Yes, it's merging one by one. Okay. So you can see here new loader loading data. Once it's loaded the data, what it shows is see 269 KB, 227, 8086, 13,492. Okay, total how many rows it should be? 30,000, right? 30,000 plus. Okay. Now can you see the data? Got it?
Yes.
Hardly how much time it took?
Yeah, 30 seconds maybe.
30 seconds. What if we do sheet by sheet? It takes
it will take some time.
at least 5 to 10 minutes, right? Again, you need to copy paste. Again, you need to drag the columns and the rows properly. Again, make it into the proper structure format. Again, into the proper font style, right? And you need to find the gaps, remove. Hardly maximum it will take 10 minutes. But whatever the work you have done, okay, it takes hardly 15 seconds, right? 15 seconds. Now you got it. So in the same way, let's run the complete data. This is the Power BI. Okay, which you can install for the free for the 1 year if you want to practice. Okay. Now I same as a Excel. Can you see here get data?
Yes.
What I do is I click on the get data, so I can get the data from anywhere. Okay, from the data flows, SQL, test suite, from the website, from the blank query, from anywhere I can get the data. Okay, wherever I have it, I can get it. Okay, it's not like when you have in a SQL you cannot get the data, or when it is in the CSV file, commas and other things, you cannot get the data. It's nothing like that. Okay, I click here more. Let me know if you have any doubts. Just this is a demo. I'll show you how exactly it works. Okay, now it's asking me from where I need to take the data. Can you help me out in understanding from where I should take the data?
Is it that the desktop one, like the first one?
Folder, right?
Yeah. No, it was new folder.
This is the folder. I need to click and connect. I have not done anything, just I named it as the folder.
Okay.
What it is doing is it's asking me the path. How should I get the path? Go back. Okay. Click shift and the right click. There is a copy as a path. You can do this or go into
double click and at the top here.
Yeah, you have it here also. Okay. Get back to the Power BI. Paste it here and the browse. Okay. Okay. Now what it is doing is it's getting the data now. Okay. It's getting the data. What are the data? Even you can dump 100 files in the same time. Okay. Combine and load. Even you have a 10,000 files or the 20,000 files or 30,000 files, you can do that. Okay. Things are happening. It's a bit slow. So till that time it loads, I'll show you something. Okay, now you have this many files, right?
Yes.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll copy and paste here one more file. Okay, go to the Excel and 30,000 details we do have, right? Now I will try to refresh. Okay.
Okay.
Refresh. What it will happen is this is already running in the background.
Oh, will it automatically load from there?
Yes, it's automatically load from there. It will go more than 30,000 again. Okay. This is still good. What happens is once you have done that, copied the path and you have done the dump of data, right? Again, you don't need to open that and copy paste. Just dump the data. Whatever the file you want to put it there in that particular folder, you can do that. What will happen is
even if you delete it, it will disappear, like it will go.
Yes, now you see that it's more than 30,000. Okay, I have refreshed it. Now it's 40,000 data. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you have 2018 data, 19, 20, 21, 22 data. Okay. All of the sudden, after 6 months, you got the 2023 data. What you need to do is just drag that particular data and put it into the folder. What are the folder you have done the mapping? What does it do is automatically refresh the Excel sheet wherever you are dumping all the data. It will collaborate there.
Okay.
This will help you out. Now it's asking same as Excel. Okay, I got the data. Okay. Now what it is doing is, suppose you found something on the right side like new folder or it's giving some data, it means that it got the data. Okay. So in this, the right side, whatever you are seeing, these are the types of different charts. Okay. You can call it as a scatter charts. You can call it as a bar charts. You can call it as a pie charts. You can call it as a donut charts. Okay. Different type of a charts. Okay. Even to the Power BI, you can ask the questions. Okay. Now you see, I got the data on the right side. Okay. So I do have three things here, reports.
So those are the column names, yes?
Yes, these are the columns we got added. I'll show you. Okay. First, I'll go with the report. Okay. Let me click the report. Report is nothing but you need to prepare here. Okay. I'll go with the data. This is the data, right? Order ID, unsold, unit price, unit cost, revenue. Okay. It got collaborated. Okay.
Okay.
You can see this, right?
Yes.
It got collaborated. What I do with this is there should be a difference between the Excel and this, right? So what I'm doing is let me go with any of the pie chart. I'll go with the okay, I'll go with this scattered bar chart. I have created this. Okay. Now, what are the data I want to get in this is total profits and the total revenue. Got it?
Okay.
Total profits and the total sum of total profit is this. Okay. Sum of total revenue is this. Okay. Now let me do something different now. Let me go with this chart. Okay. Let me put it here. How many sales region channels I do have, and what is the region of it? Okay. And I already got it. Suppose if I remove the order IDs, it will work only for the region and the sales, nothing there. Okay, let me go with the region wise, how many orders I got. Okay, you can get the data, but even though shipping sales of channel is required. The diagram is a bit big. So That's the pie. Let me go with the country wise. Okay. And the region wise. Okay. Click on it. Country. Okay, it requires big space as we have a much data. Okay, and the region. So in this, you can convert into the any diagram or any chart, anything. Okay. Let me create the new file.
Is it because of the size it didn't display?
Files are very big, right? So what you need to
Yeah.
do is, if you have one thing displayed, okay, it creates issues to the some other. So what happens is, if you want to dump the data, one single data, you can do that. Let me show you. I have created something new one again. Until that time. Okay. What I can do here. This tool takes a lot of data from your laptop. Okay. So it requires much data, much space. Then only you can operate it. So what type of device you are using? Is it a Mac?
Oh no. Mine is a Windows laptop.
Okay, that's fine. No worry with Windows also. It should have a good capacity.
Yeah, I think it has.
So can you elaborate me like what you understood till now until this loading?
Yeah, Power BI, like altogether, yeah, it has 4 components: Power Query, so the extraction, transformation, and loading take place there, and Power Pivot for the data modeling, and it has a Power View. Power View means it used to create the presentations and the dashboards, and the Power Map. Power Map is usually used to share the report with like other people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
you're right.
yeah, to work
Why
with
the
the
Power
Power BI.
BI is top in the market?
Sorry?
Why the Power BI is top in the market?
Because it's cheap.
Okay. And
Tableau is the second.
no, it's cheap. That's fine. It's a part of the product Microsoft. So Microsoft is ruling the world now in all the tools. Okay.
Okay.
That's the reason people choose the Power BI.
Isn't it free? I think it's free, right? Is Power BI?
Yes, Power BI is it's a, if the corporate people want to use, it's a $10 per user.
Okay.
Corporate people. Okay. As we can practice for the free. Okay. Now, let me. Just stay on. Let's take some time. So hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So tell me, Sarin, like when exactly you are into the US and what are the things you have done so far?
Actually, we were on visa, so I was not able to work. I tried to apply for this H1B when I came here, but that time that consultancy, they were not able to provide enough documents, so it went with void status. So I was not able to work. Then yeah, then again I'm like coming back after all the family thing.
Okay.
No.
So
Yeah,
everyone
came back.
now?
Sorry?
Everyone are in the US now?
I mean, I came with my husband.
Okay. Depending all the things. Okay, let me open the Power BI again. So every type of possibility, like suppose you want to open the annum report. Okay, what is the sales we have done so far? Okay, or what are the growth we have done so far in the projects, or how many developers we do have on the bench, or what is the data we can get from the market. Okay, everything you can do from here. So as you have seen that, right? Power BI is dumping the hundred thousands of files in a single minute. Okay, otherwise if you're going to do one by one, it takes a lot of time. Even the tab you do the same, it will help you out in getting the data very fast, but features are lagging there. It's a bit costly. If you're going for the Power BI, it's $10 per user. The same Tableau is costing you $60 per user.
Okay.
Mostly the corporate people take the cheaper one only, right?
Yes.
Per user. So it will work out in that way. So okay, we are back here. Okay, can you help me out in dumping the data? What should I do now?
Get data.
I need to click on the get data, right? Okay. So what you need to install is Power BI desktop. Okay. If you want, you can note it down. You can see this, right? Power BI desktop.
Yes.
Okay, you need to.
Is there any version is there any specific version, or is it like just one?
Yes, you can go with the Power BI desktop. It shows the latest one. Okay. And you need to install the desktop one. It shows the different features, but don't go with all other features. Okay.
Okay.
You need to go with the Power BI desktop only. Okay, this is the Power BI desktop. Now I'm going with get data. More. Okay, it's getting the data from the more. Okay, I need to select the folder. I have done. Now it's getting the data for me. It's loading. It's all loading all the 3 files. Now it will ask me, like, is it the same folder you are expecting me to do? Otherwise, there will be confusion from which folder you are doing. Even it gives the file names. Okay, this is the file names. Now it's asking me to go with the path. Let me check. I do have a path. No, I don't have a path. Go back to the folder. Okay, I came back to the folder, shift and right click. I do have a copy as a path. I came back here, paste, browse. From where we are asking, from the desktop only, right? On the desktop.
FU. I mean, you're loading the entire desktop, I guess. I think. No. Yeah.
I got the data. Okay. Might be. I have downloaded the complete desktop data. So might be not the right data. So what I need to do is again go back, open the data, open this particular folder. What are the folder we are expecting to dump the data? Okay, I have done it. Copy this one. Come back here. Get data. More. Okay. This is the folder. Okay, I came with the folder.
I think you don't have to browse. You can press OK. That's what happened earlier.
I didn't get you. Earlier?
No, earlier you clicked on the browse and clicked on the desktop. So that's when it loaded. It loaded everything in the desktop.
Yeah, combine and load here. Okay, loading done. When you have done, when the loading is done, you'll be getting the changes here on the right side. Okay, you'll be getting all the things. What are the columns, rows, names you do have? You'll be getting all this. Now it's asking you, it's a 10,000 sales record, right? Yes, it's a 10,000 sales record. Okay, these are used to filter. Okay, what are the data now we are adding here? We can filter from there. You have 2 things here: build visuals. Still loading. build visuals, and this is the search fields. Okay, let it go. So you have almost this type of flow charts or the diagrams, visualization, more than a 200. You can consider as a 270, 280 diagrams you do have. Okay, can you see this simple as a message? Okay, this is called the questioning. Okay, if you
Where
click
is
this,
it?
can you see this, my mouse?
Ah, yes, yes.
This is called the questioning. Suppose if you
Okay.
click that and ask that how much profit you got, it shows directly the profit which I got throughout the annum. Okay. You don't need to go with all this visualization. If your manager is asking on the spot, like, can you get me the data, the profits of this particular region, particular place? Okay. Then what I do is I'll take this question and answer. Okay. It's preparing the question and answers. It takes the data of complete Excels. Now it's asking the what question you want me to ask. Profits. Okay, I have asked the profits. Now, if it has the data of the profits, it shows 15.80 billion. Sum of total profit is done. Okay.
So is profits the column name?
It calculated the total, how much we have sold the product and how much profits we got. It's not like
so
it's only profits. After selling the product, you'll get some profits, right? That is the profit. It calculates automatically on both the sides, sales and revenue. Okay. It calculates automatically. Suppose if you have here, this is the unit price, unit cost, total revenue, right? Total cost. It will calculate automatically on its own side. Okay. It calculates on own side and it will get the data for you.
But there is a column named profit, yes?
Yeah, let me show you. Yes, you do have. Okay, let's come back from the back. Okay, this is called CSV files with the separated with the comma. Now total profits you have.
Total profit. Okay.
Okay, now it's calculated total.
Can I ask you one doubt? When you typed profit, how did it load?
You are asking this?
Yeah.
I clicked on the profits.
Oh, I didn't see that. Okay.
This is the profits. Now I asked like total revenue.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Total revenue is this. Okay.
Yeah, now I got it.
Some data doesn't require the flow diagrams. Okay. Suppose this is the total profit where you need to show in the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Now unit cost 1. I have clicked on it. Now it's showing the total cost units. Okay. Put this data here. Now let me check with this. I'm going with some chart. I'll take some folders. I don't want unit cost here. I want total revenue, total profits. Okay. And total cost also. Okay. So this is, I need to check. Now, I don't know how much detailed it is, right? Just have a one diagram. If you want to pick 2, you get it 2, 3, 3. If you want to go with pi, it will explain you in the pi. Okay, I'm removing the unit cost. I'm going with total profits, total revenue, and the total cost. Okay, this is fair amount. It's showing in the numbers. Let me help you out with this bar chart. Total revenue, total profit, total cost. I do have 3 things, right?
Yes.
Let me go with the region also. Region and the sales. Okay, this is what in the Middle East other things we do have. Now, as I said earlier, we do have something called visual. Okay, format your visual and further analyze. So what I'm doing in the format as usual, I do have two things here, x-axis and y-axis, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in x-axis, what I'm doing is I want to increase the size of the content. What I'm doing is I'm increasing it. I'm doing the underline. Underline. Can you see that on the left side?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. This is what called y-axis, right? Now I don't want to see the text in the black in color. I want to see it in the blue in color. Okay. Now I want that blue in color light transparent. Okay. So 50% of width it's covered. Okay. Now font family. What is the family you want to choose? Okay. Font style is gradient. Okay. It has some minimum and maximum you need to pick here. So this is the width. Now I want to do is I don't want to go with the 50%. I want to give the 28% space to this. Okay. Now it comes to the title. What is the title I want to put? Okay. What is the title I do have here? Auto. Show title only. Let me drag this. Here it is. Show title only. Okay. You have no other options. Now let me go with the y-axis. Where is the x-axis here? The down you can see, right?
Down.
You other things. That is the x-axis. So even it is a logarithm scale, I have increased. Okay, and now it will be in the invert range, reverse direction. Okay, if you want to put the data in the reverse direction, you can use the invert range. Okay, now can you see the difference? Okay, some people say that no, show me the data in the reverse mode in this way. Okay, now the values. Suppose if you want to increase the values of it, display units. What is the display units you have in billions, right? Now what I'll do is I'll put it in thousands to get the clear information. Okay, or one thing I'll do, I'll put it in the trillions. Okay, it shows the zeros, so all zeros, millions is the right number. Even if I want to change in the decimals also, I can do that. Okay, if I don't want the decimals, I want only one decimal. Okay, I want only one decimal. Can you see that? After zero, after 0.0.
0.0.
Okay, if I don't want even that, I'll put 0. Okay, if I want even point to point, if someone do the profits of 500 crores, 55 lakhs, 36,000, something like that. So I want to go with 6 digits. Okay, it shows me the end of the digit also, how much end-to-end profits you have done. Okay, now you have the title. I want to off the title here. Okay, when I have off the title, whatever the sum of total revenue, sum of total profits, stop showing. Okay, this is the main important, first of all. Now, grid lines. Now, what are the diagram you do have? You cannot see you can see the light dotted lines, right? Can you see? If I want to make it solid, okay, I have done it. I'll put it as a black in color, dark black. I'll increase the points. Can you see the size, how it's increasing? Okay, now I don't want, I want a dashed one. Okay. I want a dotted one. I don't want to see that dots at all. Go with the white in color. Okay, that's it. Okay, some people ask, can you show me this graph in the bar wise or the chart wise? Okay. Next is zoomer slide. This is the zoom I have clicked now. Okay. X-axis slider, Y-axis slider, tooltips. Can you see this? Left side. Have a look. 53.3 billion. 13.93 billion. 13.40 billion, sum of total revenue of that particular sub-Sahara. Now let me come to the North America. Okay, 1.34 billion. Region North America, sum of total cost. Okay.
Mm.
When I'm clicking on this, when I click the tool tips, okay, just give me a minute. Sorry for that. Now, when I have done a tooltip, then I can see that in which area I have done. Suppose if I close the slider tooltip, can I see the data when I now? Okay.
I am also.
Yes. Now,
Yeah.
okay. Now what I'm doing is I have a zoom in. What I can do is I can see particularly what is this exact ratio. Can you see here matching?
Mm.
Before that, I don't know where exactly it is lagging.
Mm.
Okay, suppose I go with the profits now. This is 6 digits, right?
Mhm.
Let's put it as in 3 digits. Okay, after putting 3 digits, how much exactly it's making the profit? Let me drag and look where exactly it is lying. Okay, between this and this. Okay, so even I can draw this with the zoom option. Okay, this is the bars. You know, right? This bar I don't want to see in the blue in color.
Mm.
I want some this color to be done. Okay, done.
Mm.
I want to change this color also. I want to go with the black. Done. So this is how we do the. Now I need a spacing. I cannot see that there is a lot of mixing in this. I need some space. Okay, inner padding. We call it as a inner padding. Can you see in the space now?
Mhm.
Between the each country, we do have a lot of space, right? Now you
Yes.
can understand, okay, this belongs to the North America, this belongs to the Australia, this belongs to Central. Otherwise, if I have a no spacing, can you exactly tell me which bar belongs to which part?
Yeah, it's difficult.
It's a bit hard. Okay. Now, this is just an example. We have many things internally. Okay. This, we are talking towards one bar. Okay.
Mm.
Data labels. Can you see the numbers now exactly? The
Mm.
figure. Now let me off the data labels. Okay. In this data labels also, you will be having some settings. Okay. Where exactly you want to lay that in the
Mm.
this area or outside, external, internal. Okay. Plot area. What is a plot area is, suppose you have this diagram, right? I want some
Mhm.
images back to it. Okay. Let me try to browse. If I have some images, let me have a look. Okay, I do have some images here. Which one you want me to pick? Mobiles.
Anything.
Let me pick the flowers, which should be related to that diagram. Okay. Now I
Mm.
got this. Okay, let me do this. Uh, fit. Okay, or you can go with the fill. It's filling the complete data. Now you cannot see this properly, right? Can you see the
Yeah.
data properly? No. So what I do is I'll make the transparency a bit light.
Mm.
Okay. And if you want, even you can do the more lighter. Now, okay. Is this good?
Yeah.
So depend upon related to that particular bars, you need to do it. You cannot put any other images. Okay.
Mm. Mhm.
So in this reset to default, I'll go with the reset to default. Okay. In this way, we need to do one by one, as we have many things here, many diagrams, and see, as I said earlier, right now I want to pick only the regions. Okay.
Mm.
I want to filter only one particular region is Asia. Okay. Now I'm getting the only Asia details.
Mm.
Okay. This is the filtering. Now I want to
Okay.
see the Europe countries and the Middle East and the Central America. Okay. This is the data
Mm.
we can see that. Now I want to see the sum of total cost. How much cost I want to say is uh, less than 48,000. Okay, 48 to 48,000. Apply filter. Now I have nothing here. Okay, less than 4822. I have nothing here. Okay. So even if someone asking you to prepare the reports less than 10,000 or the 15,000 data, whatever you do have, just you need to click the lesson and or equal to. Okay, you need to apply the filters here. Okay, so we have many things to do here. Even you can use the Python visuals. Okay, key influencer. This is a matrix. Okay, stacked bar chart. This is a line chart. In this way, we do have 200 plus. If you want to get the more visuals, you can import. If you want to remove. If you want to restore the visuals, even you can do that. Okay. Okay, I got the information to complete the session. So even you can import. This is the import mostly used in the corporate people. Why? Because when you pay some $10 or the $20, you can import the visuals. Okay. Otherwise, you can use this. Okay. And as we discussed here, we have two things: visual and the general. In the general also, we do have some more properties to show the effects, like what is the length you need, height of the bar chart, and the background position, how much horizontal you want to see, how much vertical you want to see. Okay, tooltips. When you put the hover here, you'll get the data. Okay. So this is about the Power BI. Okay. Actually, to complete this, we need some 20. Hello. Yeah, someone is there. Yeah, to complete this Power BI. Sorry guys, just give me 2 minutes. We are ending this session. Okay. So to complete this Power BI, we required some 25 to 30 days of time. And this will be the course content, as we have 180 topics to be covered. Okay.
Okay.
That's it from my side. Any doubts, let me know.
Sure. Thank you. So tomorrow, same time?
Yeah, you can talk to the people. Okay.
Okay.
Coordinating. They'll help you out in
Okay.
understanding. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.